What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and look at this. I got a package in the mail. It was just sitting there, and I don't know what it was. It's probably like some keychains or something. What it would feel like. And it's from Miss T with a T. And let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Remember, handy dandy, cut everything. Let's see what it is in here. I guess he's trying to get me back. As you can see, it's got the keychain, got the pen, another smaller pen, and the sticker. So thank you very much, Miss T with the T. Definitely didn't know that it was on the way here, but I definitely appreciate it, you know. So we see what we can do with it. So until next time, I'll holla. Peace out.